Good day, Health and Healing Chiropractic family. Dr. Tyler here. I'm going to show you a muscle release technique for what are called the suboccipital muscles. Now, where these muscles are located is right here between the skull and the upper spine, right along the back of the neck on both sides. These muscles, because we do a lot of hunching and we're on the computers a lot, these muscles are engaged overly too much and they get really tight and they can cause things like headaches. And so I'm going to show you a technique that you can help to release these muscles using, again, a lacrosse ball. And this technique requires you to lay down on your back. You're going to place it behind your head here. I'll show you in a moment. Just like this, laying down, facing up, and placing the ball again between the skull and the upper neck there, and just looking for, again, those tender spots in the suboccipital muscles. And when you find that, just lay the ball into it, compress that muscle, and allow that tenderness to slowly melt away as time goes on. And you can move the ball left to right, and even bring it down a little lower or bring it a little bit higher too as well. Again, looking for those tender spots in those specific areas.